What are we doing?
Tony. I'm Nico.
I'm Owen.
I'm Carol. I'm Alaya.
I'm Cedric.
I'm Maciej. I'm Simone.
I'm Gabi.
I'm Peter.
I'm Medela. I'm Leah.
I'm Bojan. My name is Niki.
I'm Marta. I'm Veronica. I'm Neve. I'm Ella.
I'm Mateusz.
I'm Carla. I'm Clara. I'm Gina. I'm Julita. I'm Patricia.
Kacper.
I'm Az.
I'm Doug.
This is Joel.
And I'm the theater facilitator of Play the Change.
So Play the Change was a project that was aimed to be to gather different students, theater practitioners and students from 4 different countries in order to experience empathy and multiculturality through theater exercises.
It's a little bit cold, it's our first evening here. We are 20 kilometers from a big town called Liceo, and then a further 5 kilometers from Andorra.
So basically we are 5 facilitators here. We have Ljubomira, Lucas, Peter, Colin, me. Sorry, I'm trying. We are here not to teach you anything, but we are here to provide you space, freedom, so that you learn things by yourself. This project is a space to make mistakes, a space to learn from one another. So feel completely free to express yourself. And of course we'll be rehearsing to present a show at the end of this change.
Dun, dun, dun. Yeah. Dun, oh. Dun, dun, dun.
So we're here at Liceo, just south of Andorra. We're here with the whole group. As you can see, we're all just chilling out by the canal. Got some canoes going on. You know, it's all happening here. Now it's about 33 degrees.
You have to be charged. So you fill up this.
Lots of inventive work, lots of emotion. A lot of emotion actually, but a really safe and creative way to express the emotions. I think that it's a real healthy outlet for everyone. Theatre is always a healthy outlet for expressing emotion, but I think when you're in a multicultural situation like this, and you've got so many different types of people and different nationalities and different genders, I think there's no better place to explore your own feelings and talk about feelings and that kind of thing.
It was educational as well as enjoyable.
So powerful.
To feel empathy and like multiculturality.
They really became one group. They come with it together, and they were scared in the beginning. They were scared to talk with each other, and they were scared that they don't know what to do. But then I think it worked very well.
We just gave exercises that created an environment in which we could come up with ideas.
Yeah. So great because a lot of people give their opinion. The people here in this exchange, I think that is the best thing that I learned here. All the people are open mind, and now it's like a big family.
People are awesome.
Yeah, participants were great.
Environment, awesome. We built a great group.
One of it.
We really opened up to each other, so that's nice.
It was super cool.
Very interesting. We've learned to be more open, learn to try new things, not be afraid to take risks.
I've improved my social skills.
If you work in a group of facilitators like we did, so teamwork, it's great, it's awesome. So the results can really be much bigger when you share them, like when you share the work.
Working with people to devise theatre, creating theatre from not a script but from your own experiences and situations. What's important is not so much the story, but how you express it.